Hello artists, my name is Sajid Rahim. I am a 2D 3D artist and animator. Today I am going to show you how to rig any character with Auto Rig Pro and Faceit plugin. Faceit plugin used for facial rigging only, and Auto Rig Pro used for facial and body rigging. But if we do a comparison with the Faceit plugin and with the Auto Rig Pro, we can see Faceit plugin is more efficient and better than Auto Rig Pro facial rigging. So this is why I thought I should make a tutorial and show you how we can rig this character with the Auto Rig Pro, and then we will rig our character with the Faceit for the facial rigging only. So let me just quickly start the work and show you how we can get better results with the Faceit. I highly recommend the Faceit plugin. You will see, I'm sure, I'm 100% sure you will see the outcome from the Faceit plugin. So let me just quickly rig this character with Auto Rig Pro. Just select your character and click on this get selected button and add some points for the rigging. So just click on this add neck point button and we have a point. Just place this point to the center of the neck and then add this chin point to the chin. Add this shoulder point to the shoulder. Maybe it should be higher. Okay, this position is okay. Now we have to add some other markers on these other points, and for the spine we have to add this point on the spine, and for the ankles we have to place the ankle points, and make sure these are the reference points only. We can change these points later. So after placing all the points, we have to click on this go button. It will actually generate a skeleton for our character, so it will take just a few seconds. Okay, our skeleton is now generated, and Auto Rig Pro is very intelligent, and it marks and it placed all the bones on the right location. If I go to the right side, here you can see all the bones are placed on the right location, but we can adjust it. Like here we can see, just we have to move this to this point. Just select the bone and press G to grab it and then place on the right location here. This location, knee location is okay, but I'm just I think it should be on this point. From the front view, all the bones seems okay, and it looks right. All the bones on the right location. For the elbow, we have to grab this bone and move it to this side. Make sure do not align these all bones straight, because in real life and in animations, if we create all the bones straight, it will not work properly, and the hand and arm movement will be wrong and different. So we have to keep that in mind, that we have to add a curvature like this for the proper movement. And here you can see all the finger and hand bones are on the right place, but this bone is slightly off from the location. Just grab it, just select it and grab it with the G key and place it where it should be, and all the bones are looking okay, because we have symmetry on this. This is why all the bones from the other sides will be symmetrical so everything will be symmetrical. Okay, after generating and adjusting all the bones, we have to click this button, mesh to rig, and then press OK. Because our baby character is very small, this is why we are getting this message. But if you have full size character, in full scale character like 2.5 meter or 6 feet or 5 feet, you will not get this message, and this will rig your character perfectly. But because we have a baby character, it automatically detects that we have a shorter character. This is why it will take all the measure that Auto Rig Pro have to take. So we have to click the OK button. It will analyze, and here you can see it place all the bones on the bone controllers on the right location. Now we have to jump out from the pose mode, and we have make sure you have object mode selected. Then select your character and uncheck the rig controller, and select your character and all the body parts that you want to rig, and then click on this control rig button and move to the skin section, and here you have to bind this character. So just click on the bind button. It will take few seconds and our character will be fully rigged. Okay, our character is now rigged. Let me just show you the rigging quality. Just go to the pose mode, and after going to the pose mode, we can check and we can control the rig and see how it works. Here I just grab the hand with the G key, and here you can see arms are moving perfectly, and our arms are not meshing, and our arms are not penetrating the mesh from this side. If we move it closer, here you can see there is no penetration, so this is very good. And if we move the head in different directions, here you can see we have very nice head movement. We can see all the other movements, and the joints and bones are working perfectly. Here we have a little bit penetration issue on the diaper. We can fix it very easily with the weight painting. And if you have a Mesh Online plugin, I highly recommend that plugin as well, because it's very amazing. It actually create the all the weight on all the bones perfectly, and we don't need to weight paint for the bones. This is why Mesh Online plugin is very important, and I highly recommend it. It will work faster than manual weight painting. Okay, here you can see rigging is perfect, but we can't see our character neck rig. If we go to the X-ray mode, here you can see we have a neck bone controller, but this is very small, so we have to make it big. Just select that controller, go to the bone mode, and under the viewport display, here we have a custom object shape, and we have to scale it. Maybe we have to scale it twice, so press 2 and 2, and here you can see we have a neck controller, but this controller is very off, and it is very close to the head. We have to move it down. If we move this controller to down position, this will actually it will not affect to the head or it will not affect any deformation. So this is actually we are placing this on the right location and it will work well. We have to move this to the to down, something like this. Now if we turn off the X-ray mode, here you can see we have a neck controller, and we also have finger controllers if we turn on the X-ray mode, but these all controllers are very small, so we also have to make these controllers bigger. Sometime Autorig Pro make these controllers smaller, but mostly for the real human scale model, Autorig Pro make these circles size perfect. So because we have a baby and small character, this is why we are facing these small controllers. Let me try. If we select all and make the scale bigger, okay, we have to make these we have to scale these all points manually one by one. We can't make bigger size simultaneously. So if you have this issue, you can just select each rig controller and make it bigger. So I'm gonna reset the pose. Rigging is perfect. So I'm gonna rig this character with the I'm gonna rig the face of this character with the Faceit plugin. Oh, actually I have this plugin in other Blender version. I think I have that plugin in 3.6. So I'm gonna just quickly save this baby model, and I'm gonna import this to Blender 3.6, and for facial rigging I will use 3.6. So here I have a Blender 3.6. Okay, here you can see we have a Faceit plugin already installed and enabled. So I'm gonna just grab this baby model that we rigged. So we will do the facial rigging with this with the Faceit plugin. Actually Blender is loading all the material and texture. This is why it's taking some time. Okay, we have this character, and now we are going to rig the face. So for this we have to take some steps. We have to actually separate the eyes in left and right eye, and we have to separate the upper teeth, lower teeth, and the tongue. For this we have to select the eye, and we have to go to the edit mode and select any eye, and press Ctrl L to select fully, and then press P for the separation, and then just select this one, selection. So when you click on this button, it will separate the selection. Just come out from the edit mode, select the eye. I'm gonna name it eye left, and I'm gonna name it eye right. Okay, jump out from the solo mode and go to the teeth. Here I have teeth selected. Again I'm gonna hit the slash key to for the isolation. Okay, now we have to go to the edit mode. We have to select this upper part, press Ctrl L to select all, or we can also turn on the X-ray mode and then we can select it with the lasso selection and then press Ctrl L to select it fully and grab it. Here you can see all mesh is selected. Just press P and then again select this one selection. Now our upper teeth are now separate from the lower teeth, so just name it, click on the upper teeth upper, select the bottom one, name it teeth lower, come out from the solo mode and we have a tongue here and it's already separate, so we don't need to worry about this one. Okay, first we have to select the character and then select make sure you are in setup mode and select this register face objects, and we have this main mesh selected. We can also pick it with this eyedropper, and our mesh is now selected. And now we have to define these eyes, upper teeth, lower teeth and tongue for this character. So I'm gonna just select the right eye and we have to click this plus button to add this right eye on the right eye for the registry. So select the right eye, plus this click this plus button. Now here we have a right eye, but we have to define it that this is a right eye. Here you can see we have a eyeball, right eyeball, left eyeball. Because this is a right eyeball, we are going to select the right eyeball. And for the left eye, we have to select it, add it, we have to define this is a left eye. For the upper teeth, we have to select it, add it. Here we have a upper teeth option, add as upper teeth, select the lower teeth, add it, define it, it's a lower teeth. For the tongue, we have to select the tongue, we have to add it, we have to define this that this is a tongue. And for the eyelashes, we also have to define the eyelashes. If we have a beard or if we have any hairs, just select the hairs, add it here, and then here just select the facial hair. If you have mustache or beard, just select the mustache and beard, add it, and then mark as a facial hair. So our hairs, beard and mustache will move with the character, and it will rigged perfectly with the Faceit rig. Okay, we have defined these things. We have to define the eyelashes. So for the eyelashes, just select the character, press the tab key to go to the edit mode, and from here we have to select these eyelashes. Hold down the control key and select all, and then press Ctrl L. The eyelashes are selected. Press G to and move it, and we are doing this because we are actually confirming that all the mesh are selected. And then press the escape key to deselect it, or escape key for the location reset. So these are on the right place where they were before, but these eyelashes are selected. So while we are in edit mode, we have to define that these are eyelashes. So here we have a eyelashes button, just click on it, and now these eyelashes are marked as eyelashes. because for the later rigging, it is very important to define these eyelashes, so we can animate and blink our eyes perfectly with the eyelashes. Okay, now after assigning, just jump out from the edit mode, and now we have to check that all the things are perfect and ready, and if anything we left, okay, we have not left anything, all the things are perfect and fine. And now we have to select the body, and then we have to go to this rig section, and we have to make our character face to the frame, so we can add the facial markers perfectly. So make sure your head and face inside this frame. Closer, please make this closer. Okay, after that we have to click this button, but before generating landmarks, we have to make sure that our character is selected, not the other parts. Here we have a body selected. Go to the rig section and then press this generate landmarks. Okay, landmarks are generated. Please make sure to add this chin point to the chin, so it will automatically make our character closer, so further adjustment will be done later. So add this chin mark on the chin and click it. Okay, this is now close, and now we have to define the height. Just define the height roughly. Here I have a good height, just click it, and now we have to define the width, and now this width is okay, and we will adjust these all things later. Okay, first I'm gonna mark all the points on the right location and make sure that we have symmetry is enabled. Just select this eye point, grab it with the G key, place it on this area, and grab it, move it very close to this part. And this point should be little further from this point, but these points must be closer to the end. For these points, select any point, press L, and then move these points close to the eyelashes. Just grab it and move it little down. We can also move this one to the downside, so later on our eyelashes will move with these bones or with these points. Okay, because our character is not symmetrical, this is why we are facing this issue. I created this baby character in Character Creator 4 and using headshot plugin, and this is why this character is not symmetrical, because the reference image that I used was not symmetrical. So this is why our baby character is created without symmetry, and it's created naturally like the real baby. Okay, let me just quickly mark these all points on the right location. I'm gonna turn off the symmetry. Just I'm gonna place these all points on the right location. Actually the symmetry is not working. If we turn off this symmetry, we also move these points symmetrically. So we have to actually, so this is a problem, but let's move with it and see what we can do. Okay, after placing all the points on the face, we have to click this button, project landmarks. After that, we have to adjust these all points. Move this point to this location almost. Don't exceed very much. Just grab this point to there, and this point should be there. For this point, we have to move this point to this location, and these are lip points are okay, but we are facing issue with these points. So these points are not placed on the right location, so let me just quickly reposition them. Okay, we can also try to adjust these. Okay, we have to be in the edit mode for the adjustment. Okay, I'm gonna just rig it like that, and after placing these points, we actually this point is on the right location, or maybe this should be on this location. Okay, now I'm gonna just generate Faceit. Okay, just generate face rig. Okay, the rig is now generated, and now we have to bind the rig with our character. So we have to click this bind button and just click OK. Okay, our face rig is now done, and character is bind with the skeleton, and let's see how it works. Okay, eyes are moving perfectly, and if we open the jaw, it moves very well. Okay, perfect. Jaw movement is also perfect. And try some we can also try these other markers or other controllers and see how they perform. Okay, we also have a tongue controller. If we move it out, here we can see we can move it, we can rotate it in different directions. Okay, and for the eyes, let's see how it works. Just grab this point, move it down. Okay, and if we move with this point, this is not moving very much, but let's see how it works. Okay, just press A key to select all, go to pose mode, select all, and then go to this pose button and clear all transforms. So all the bones will become on the default position. All bones will be on the default position. Okay, now what we have to do is to go to the expression mode and we have to generate the expression. So we have to load it. Just click on this button, and we have so many other options, but ARKit is very good, so we can use it. Just press OK, and if we here you can see if I move this slider to right side, you can see some movement. If I play it, actually Blender shows us that how this rig performs and how it looks. So it's showing us the rig quality. Okay, the rig is generated, all the points are working fine, and now we have to bake the shape keys, and we have to go to this bake menu, and here we have a button, bake shape keys. Just click on it and make sure you click on this keep Faceit rig active. So check this on and press OK button. It will bake all the keys on our mesh, and after the baking we have to go to this control section, and we have to generate control rig for our baked keys. You will see what I mean. Just click on it and apply scale as well and press OK. Okay, you can see we have two types of rig on our face, this one and this one. This is the regular rig that we already rigged for our character, but these are the baked rig. Let me show what I mean. If I click this older one and go to the pose mode, and if I open his jaw, here you can see I can rotate, I can move, I can grab even on extreme level. Here you can see I grabbed his mouth very much, and I grabbed his eyebrow very much. Okay, let me just undo this one. We can control our character rig with this rig, like I show you, and all bones we can move and rotate all these bones in infinite like infinite. Okay, but if we select this rig and if we go to pose mode, we cannot exceed very much the natural pose. If I move this, if I grab this point and I move, here you can see I cannot move very much, and it's also looking very natural. here, and we also have these points. If I grab this point and press G, here you can see I cannot move it very much. I can move just like natural. Okay, if I grab this point, I cannot exceed very much. So this is a very nice and realistic rig. If we want to exceed our rig very much, we can do it, but if we want natural movement and if we want limit to our movement, we can use this baked rig that we baked from here. So this is the tutorial, guys. I thought I should make and let you know how it works. Here you can see eyes are also moving very well and naturally. We can use this lip controller, and here you can see this controller moves like real life, and it's not exceeding the natural pose. So this is very nice thing, and this is very powerful tool, guys. I highly recommend this Faceit tool because your rig will look very natural and realistic. And one more thing, we can actually animate this character with live link plugin. We can animate our character with our pre-recorded facial movement video, and we can apply on this character. So this character will limit the pose and it will animate like naturally because of pose limits. We cannot exceed these poses very much, but we can animate these poses like real life. Okay, I hope you got the point. So guys, I hope you like the video, and I'm sorry, I know video is very lengthy, but this is very important to understand the whole process if we want a realistic and nice rig. Okay guys, one thing I forgot to mention, if we click on this main Auto Rig Pro rig, and if we move the head, you can see our rig, these facial rigs are not moving with our head. So for this we have to select the rig, and then we have to go to this control rig section, and we have to click on this controller rig setup utility button, and under this we have experimental option, and under this option we have to select the head bone, and then we set it as a child of. Just click on it. So when we move this bone, our rig will move with our head, but if we want to move these bones with our head as well, so we can also do it. Just select this one and then shift select this rig, and then hold down the control key and press tab button, and then we have to bind this bone to the head. For this we have to hold down the control key and press P, and then here just bone it. And if we move this head controller, you can see we can also move these controllers with the head like you see. Okay, and if we want to hide this rig, we can hide it. Here you can see, if we want to work on this rig, we can go to pose mode. We can do whatever we want. Okay, but if we want to hide this rig, we can hide this rig. Just click on rig, press H, or you can also hide it from here. Just press H and select this rig, go to pose mode, do whatever you want. Okay, animate your character however you like. So again, if you want to jump out the other rig controller, just unhide it, hide this one, and select this, go to pose mode, do whatever you want. Okay, this is a very powerful tool. This is how we can rig, and we can make our animation, and we can make our facial movements however we like. So I hope you like the video, guys. Please stay tuned with me.